is Ariana Grande. Do you know Ariana Grande? Yes, of course. So look at her homework. She can write Japanese character, which is hiragana and katakana. She can make sentences, and she can speak Japanese a little bit, and then she messaged me in Japanese, which is cute.
ルミトン呼んでください。
Great, good job, good job. So last one, nice to meet you. It's gonna be like this.
よろしくお願いします。
Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. You guys ready? Please repeat after her.
よろしくお願いします。
Great. Then let me ask you guys. Gyoza ski? Gyoza ski. Good. Does anybody know how to say yes? Hi. Hi, formal way. Does anybody know how to say casual way? Let's get jealous. So let's look at this scene.
なんすか。
てめえタキ抜け駆けしやがって
昨日お前ら一緒に帰ったろ。
One more time.
なんすか。
てめえタキ抜け駆けしやがって
昨日お前ら一緒に帰ったろ。
Okay, so let's look at what they said. He said, what?
Nanska?
Nanska? Nanska? Now, Kevin, let's learn some vocabularies. Who likes onsen or hot spring? Yes. Yeah. Japanese loves hot spring. So let's look at some vocabulary, the useful vocabulary that you can use in onsen. So onsen means hot spring. So it has a natural hot spring producing from the underground. And if you guys have heard of sento, which is public bath. So difference is hot spring is natural water, but public bath is just tap water. They just warm it up so that people go there. You know, when you don't have a bathroom, bathroom in your home, so you go to public bath. Or when you're traveling, it's very convenient. So sento means public bath, and onsen is hot spring. And you also see the green tea, the hot green tea. In sushi restaurant, you say agari. Agari. So if you go to sushi restaurant and if you say, oh, please give me agari, it sounds really cool.